Welcome. Today I will show you how to download, install, and use this amazing app that revolutionizes the process of transferring mobile files to a PC. You can just sit back, relax, and enjoy hassle-free transfer of files to your PC with this app. To start with, first, go to the Google Play Store on your mobile. Search for the Wi-Fi File Transfer app. Click on the Install button and wait for the app to download. Once the installation process is completed, open the app, and the app will ask for permission to access your storage. Click on Allow for the first time. Next, click on the Start button to start the server. The app then gives you an IP address and port number that you need to enter into your browser to connect to the app. Now that you have successfully completed the connection setup process, you can now access your mobile files on PC by opening your favorite browser and entering the IP address and port number provided in the app. You can now view, download, or upload the files and transfer them within seconds.